Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been absolutely forever since I reviewed a product, and today I'm reviewing two. I'm reviewing the Blue Blood Palette and the Gloss from Jeffree Star, and I'm going to be creating this look for you today. You're only going to see the eyes and lips because that's what I'm reviewing. So if you guys want to know what I think of these two products, keep on watching. Okay, so I've just got my eyebrows on and I'm going to show you the packaging. So the Blue Blood palette comes in a box like this. It is really nice packaging, like it's not just standard cardboard. Then you open it up and the palette is inside. So this is actually my second palette. The first one that I got came smashed. So I returned that one and I actually bought directly from Jeffree's site. So this one did not come smashed, obviously, that's why we're filming with it today. And here she is. Oh my lord. Blue is my favorite color, as you can see. Blue background, blue top. I'm so excited to dive in with this today. And then of course I will also be talking about the gloss. This is in Control Freak. It is freaking humongous. Packaging is so hard to get out. But yeah, like look at that compared to the size of my hand. So yeah, I'll be reviewing that as well, but we're going to dive right in with the Blue Blood palette. Okay, so just use some primer on my eyes, and then I'm gonna go in with like a neutral color. So I'm gonna go this bulky one down the bottom to set as my base. Now I do have the Blood Sugar palette. I have a review on that one, so if you wanted to see that one, I will leave it linked down below so you can see that as well. That was a really good palette, so I'm hoping the pigment in these ones is exactly the same and no one will be disappointed today. I've heard so much good things. I've heard so many good things. You can't really see it. So this is using the shade I'm Cold. One of my neighbors is hitting something in their backyard. It's doing my head in. If you can hear some banging, that is my neighbor. I moved from my parents' house with my dogs barking all the time to residential where there are so many noises. Okay, so I'm not the biggest fan of this color. You can kind of see it, you kind of can't. Okay, we're gonna go in with Blue Monday. Let's see if this is a better one. Oh yeah. It's coming up really nice on camera. It's not as opaque as I would like it to be in person. But if I keep building up the color, it's obviously going to be beautiful. See, I haven't actually put any brush there. I've only blended it and it hasn't really come across. You actually need to put the color where you want it and it'll blend lighter. That makes sense? Which I suppose with some things it's good, but yeah, I don't know. What can we go in with now? Let's go in with Cremated. It's like a navy blue, it's a lot darker. Oh, it's a lot darker, Jesus. Yes, it is a lot darker. Okay, that one is very, very dark in pigment. And that one blends everywhere. So, okay, no worries. I'm gonna get in with the color Entitled. It's a really nice, like shimmery. Oh yeah. Oh my lord. Okay, usually a lot of shimmers like don't come up as opaque or they flake off. That has not budged. Oh my god, it's so freaking pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, so to blend that all together, I am going to use Deceased. It is like a little bit of shimmer, like navy blue, but not as much as this one. And I'm just gonna go over the ends to help really blend that into the dark. It's going to be like a gradient to the dark. You can see that it is coming out so nice. These blues are just incredible. And then I'm going to go back in with that cremated and just blend that edge into the dark. Okay, so they are my eyes at the moment. I'm going to go off camera, do the rest of my face, and then I'm going to come back and do lower lash line. I'm going to put this gloss on and see what it feels like. Okay, so that is my face done. I got that Jeffree Star Ice Cold Skin Frost on, and some blush, and obviously contour. And I put some lashes on. It looks so good, but it does look a bit funny with no lower lash. So we are going to go in with that Blue Monday, really vibrant blue. And pop it along the bottom like so. Then I'm going to go in with that cremated on the outer corner, and I'm going to pinch my brush because this is obviously really dark and I don't want it going absolutely everywhere. And then I'm just going to hit the bottom with some mascara. And that is eyeshadow done. Alright. That is the Blue Blood palette done. Now we're gonna go in with Control Freak, the gloss. He's just released these, so these are fairly new. So we're gonna open it up and it comes like that. It smells like fairy floss. Oh, it smells so good. I'm not a gloss person, so let's see how this goes. I don't like it's all stuck. No, I don't like that. So let's hope this is not like that. I can't even speak today. Okay, it is so sheer. I'm gonna bring it in. It doesn't like really cover anything. They did look really sheer in the photos, but so test is good. It doesn't stick. Feels really comfortable. The only thing I thought it would be a lot more opaque. You can still see that like I should have cleaned the foundation because I thought it would actually cover it. I have other lip glosses that are really high in pigment and they cover my lips. These are really sheer, which is kind of good because it's a nice natural look. But yeah, I've seen photos where people have got like a lot of color, especially with this one. Maybe I'll try like a second layer, see if it goes really goopy. A second layer is a little bit more, just some juicy ass lips. Alright guys, so final thoughts. Absolutely love the Blue Blood palette. Some of the shadows are more pigmented than others. It's probably just their formulas because they've got less pigment in them. The lighter colours didn't really come up, but as you can see the dark colour really did. And I was really happy with that one. So the Blue Blood is getting a massive thumbs up with me. I can never say it, Blue Blood, gotta get it out. As for the gloss, I was a little bit disappointed with how sheer it was. I thought it would cover more. It does look really nice though, the formula is really nice and it smells so good. I don't feel like it's gonna get stuck everywhere, you know, when your hair blows in the wind. It doesn't feel like that. It feels like I don't have anything on my lips. It does work for this look because I want the attention drawn to my eyes. They are like statement eyes, statement of the maker. So the lips are just neutral, if that makes sense. Would like it to be a little bit more pigmented, but other than that, the gloss is really nice. And you get a lot for what you're paying for. I put 2 layers on and it was like not even a fingernail worth of product. I didn't have to keep dipping in to get more product. I just pulled it out and that did the whole lip. So you use pretty much next to nothing. So this is going to be around for a while, and I'm sure you can put it on top of your liquid lipsticks. I'm going to try that. I have a few nude colors of Jeffree's, so I'm going to try it over the top of them, and I'll let you guys know either on Instagram or in a post or something how that looks as well. But yeah, that's getting 1 thumb up for me, just because it is a little sheer for my liking. I like full coverage on my lips as well. But yeah, that is it. This is a nice quick review today, a little eye tutorial. Love the blue, goes really well with the blood sugar. So now I have both palettes. Jeffree's outdone himself again, like always. But yeah, that is it. If you guys like this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and go glow. Love it. Go click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time with a new video. Bye guys.